All right, we're going to make this video incredibly quickly. If you are someone who has Helium Mobile and you are on one of their grandfather plans, either the original $5 plan when they were doing the trial market, which gave you unlimited talk, text, and 15 gigs of data, or they had a $20 unlimited plan, also grandfathered in, those are both going away, and they are going away soon, starting on January 27th, in fact. If you are someone on one of these plans, you will want to go into your Helium mobile app. And if you're planning on keeping the service, and you can change it to one of 3 plans, which we will go over in just a moment. If you do not, they are going to by default throw you into the middle plan without any discounts. But if you change beforehand, you will get some discounts. I'm going to throw a caveat on that. But just so you're aware, beginning January 7, 2026, early access $5 and $20 plans will no longer be supported on Helium Mobile. Prior to this date, the following exclusive promotions are available to choose from right within the Helium mobile app. It's showing 2 promotions. There's actually 3. I will mention the other one in just a moment. I already accepted my plan change for now while I figure out if I'm going to keep everything or not. But we'll go over that right now. Hey, J Money from the future jumping in really quick because I forgot to record one quick thing. When it comes to the discount, it is only going to be good for 12 months. So at the end of 12 months, whatever plan you are on, it will go back to the original pricing, the original plan, the original discount that's shown on screen. You will lose the 50% off or the unlimited talk and text from the free plan. That's if they keep the plans as they are now and no other changes happen from then. All right, guys, back to the rest of the video. All right, the first plan is the Zero plan. By default, this is a 3 gigabyte plan. It gives you 100 minutes and 300 text. Temporarily, if you upgrade from one of those grandfathered plans to the Zero plan, it's still $0. The only thing you pay is taxes afterward, which I know where I live is around $40, $50 from what I was reading. You still get the 3 gigabytes free of data, but what they're doing for the first 12 months is unlimited talk and unlimited text. So that is if you pick the Zero plan. The next plan is the Air plan. This is going to be the most similar to what I already had, a slightly downgraded version. This plan is normally $15 a month. They are going to be giving a 50% discount on this plan, so I'm going to be getting it for $7.50. The only downside is the amount of data is being downgraded, and my bill will be going up, at least for the first year, by about $2, $3 after taxes. One thing that they are giving people who used to gain mapping rewards, where they were basically paying you either Helium mobile token or Helium token by basically sharing your location, they took that away a couple months ago. They are now giving us the ability to gain cloud reward points, where basically by making the switch, they're giving us $50 worth of points, and you can buy gift cards and stuff like that. Quite frankly, I don't care too much about that. I would much rather have the mapping rewards, but that is something you'll be getting when you make the switch to either the Air plan or the Infinity plan. Finally, we have the Infinity plan, which is their unlimited plan, unlimited talk, text, data. They have some caps over here where you can be slowed down after 36 gigs of data. It's $15, so it's basically the price of what the Air plan would have been. Again, you also get that $50 in cloud points, not that big a deal. Now, the one thing I really did not like, when you go to change the plan, and I don't remember setting up my Helium mobile account originally, but apparently they didn't ask for any ID or anything like that. Big thumbs up for me. But when you attempt to change the plan, they won't even let you change anything without you upgrading and uploading your driver's license front and back. A lot of cell phone companies make you do that, so I guess it's not the biggest end of the world. Even some prepaid companies make you do that. However, the amount of hassle this drew was insane. It took me 4 attempts to scan the license, and it kept saying I wasn't me, so you know me doing the identity theft thing. And then when it finally took that, it wouldn't take my face scan, because yes, they wanted a face scan too. So I ended up reaching out to their support. It took a while. Stuff happened on their end. finally I managed to get everything going. But between work and everything else, it was probably a 4-hour affair to get everything finalized and done. If I didn't need this phone number, if I didn't have it linked to certain things, I would have probably just let it drop off. But when you had a number for quite a while that you were only paying $5 a month for, I got to figure some things out. So I'm going to give it a month or two. I might keep the plan going. I might cancel it. I haven't decided yet. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. So let me know if you were in the grandfathered plan. If you were, are you planning on staying or are you planning on leaving? Other than that, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I hope you have a blessed day. Peace.